Mama's Corner once again. Guess what is on the menu today? It's peri peri chicken pizza. I'm going to show you from scratch, so do not go anywhere. Stay and watch till the end and you will love it. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use for the dough. It's just 4 ingredients. So we have baker's flour. You can use all-purpose flour or self-raising flour, that's okay. We have our salt. I'm going to use pink salt. We got yeast and we got cooking oil. So when it comes to our pizza topping, we have our mozzarella cheese. I have bell pepper and pineapple slice. And this one is cooked chicken breast. And my peri peri sauce. So we're going to start by making the dough first before we can start with our pizza. So at this point I'm going to mix my yeast with my oil and put it down for 10 minutes before I can mix it up with the flour and the salt. So I'm going to measure 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix it up with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix it up. Cover it with your clean napkin, then you leave it for 10 minutes whilst you mix up the other. So now I'm going to measure 2.5 cups of flour. Then you add your half teaspoon of salt. So that's my half teaspoon of salt. And you mix it up together. So after mixing it, you're going to make a hole in the middle so that you can pour your oil and your yeast together. So it's been 10 minutes now. I'm going to pour it into the middle. Then I add a little bit of warm water to it. Then I mix it together. Add a little bit of warm water. You don't have to add too much. You have to add a little by little so that you can get the good texture. So you're going to spread a little bit of oil on top of it. Then we leave it to rest for 20 minutes. You leave it for 20 minutes, but make sure you have to cover it with a clean napkin so that it can double in size. And you leave it for 20 minutes. So our 20 minutes is over. You can see our dough has been doubled in size. So you can see the texture. This is how the texture to be. So at this point I'm going to divide it into 2 pieces, but I need to put it on the bench and use the rolling pin to roll it for a little while before I can put it on my pizza. I'm going to cut it in 2 pieces because I'm going to make 2 pizza. So you put this one in your bowl, then you roll this one before you can spread it out on your pizza pan. So you just have to do it like this in a round way so that it becomes easier for you to spread it on your pizza pan. So at this point I'm going to add a little bit of oil on top of it before I can put my pizza dough on it. So just a little bit. So just a little bit. And you place your dough in there. So this time around I'm going to use my hands to push it till it gets to the edge. For you to just spread it out because it's big enough. So as you can see, I've finished spreading my pizza dough on the pizza pan. So I'm going to add my toppings to it. I forgot to introduce the tomato paste to you. This is what I'm going to use it for the base before I can put the rest of the topping on it. You can use barbecue, you can use ketchup or tomato paste, just a tomato paste for cooking. You can use it as well. So I'm going to use 1 barbecue sauce for one and 1 tomato sauce for the other one. So I'm going to start with my tomato sauce. So you just have to put it on like that. It depends the amount that you want. If you don't want that much, you don't have to put much on it. So you're just going to use your spoon, tablespoon, and spread it out like that. Spread it out. So the same thing that you're going to do it for the barbecue sauce. After spreading out your sauce on your pizza, you're just going to first put on your cheese on top of it. On it, you're going to put your toppings on it, but I'm going to start with my chicken breast. It's cooked. You can use chicken, you can use beef, maize, you can use seafood like prawn, or you can use whatever you want to use. So you're going to spread that one too on top. It depends the amount of chicken you want in your pizza. So after that, you're going to add your bell pepper and diced pineapple to it. You can add mushrooms if you want. That is up to you. You can add onions to it if you want. So my pizza is ready. It's going in the oven. It's going to be 12 minutes for cooking and 180 degrees for the setup. So it goes straight to the oven. So at 12 minutes it's over. I'm going to check my pizza in the oven. Then I put the other one in it. So I'm going to transfer it onto the board. This one is really, really hot. There we go. So I'm going to use my pizza cutter to cut my pizza. Okay, so I'm going to add my peri peri chicken on top. You can put as much sauce that you want. This pizza looks so delicious. I'm going to taste one. That tastes really delicious. I hope you try this at home to save money from buying it from other pizza shops. Wait guys, my mouth is really full. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Thank you to Fufu Market for sponsoring Ahmed's Corner. I'll see you the same time next week. The name has always been Anama Ekuma. Bye. Oh my god, I'm going to gain a lot of weight.